Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make a velocity edit on CapCut PC and Mac version. The first thing you need to do is record your content. I am making a Roblox edit, so I'm recording my avatar, but you can use this method on any kind of edit. Now that you have recorded what you need, open CapCut and drag and drop your screen recording or video into CapCut. Change your video format from original to the size you want your video. I set my video to 9:16 because that's the size for YouTube Shorts or TikToks. Now you can cut out the bits you don't need from your clips. Now you need to get your audio. Click onto the audio tab at the top and then click Extracted. For the audio, I screen recorded a video from YouTube on my phone and then airdropped it to my laptop. Now that you have your audio, cut out the parts you don't need. Then match out where the beat drop is. You can hold the command key with J to match out your audio. You can also click this button to match out if you're not using Mac. Now that you know where your beat drop is, cut down your clips so they transition on the beat drop. I'm changing avatars on the beat drop. Now that your clips are how you want them, we can start on the velocity. After your beat drop, match out every background beat you hear. Most of the time the beat will be pretty even. Once you have your beats, you can split your clip on each of the yellow dots. You can split the clip by using the command key along with B. Now click onto your first click. Then click onto the Speed tab. Click OMP Curve and copy this graph. You will notice that the clip would have gotten longer, so just drag the end of the clip back to the yellow dot. Then repeat on each clip. This is what your edit should look like now. As you can see, it's a bit choppy, so I'm going to show you how you can make it more smooth. Click onto the Effects tab at the top and look for Slanted Blur. I have it saved as a favorite, but you can find it in the Basic section. Once you've found it, place it at the start of your clips and make it pretty much as small as possible. Make sure to copy and paste. Now you can see it looks way less choppy. You can finish here or you can continue watching to learn how to do flashes. Click onto the Media tab and go to Library. Click onto this white stock photo. Fit it to your whole video. Click onto Animation Admin, then go to the Out section. Click the Fade Out option. Now cut down this overlay to around half the size of your clips. This is my final edit with some extra effects I did off camera. Sorry there is no music because of copyright. You can watch this edit with music on my YouTube Shorts.